Hi, I'm Patrick Hopper, and I'm talking with David Yee today, Private Cloud Product Manager with Advantech. And today we're talking about the Advantech Co-Creation IoT Summit going on November 1st through 3rd. And actually, Embedded Computing Design is going to be moderating a panel there. But I wanted to talk to David about what people can expect who want to attend and why it's of interest to them.
Okay. So this co-creation summit, what we call co-creation is because we have a lot of partners who are providing all kinds of different solutions. So at that summit, we're going to have more than 6,000 people gathered together to show people what IoT, how IoT could change the world. So anybody who will be able to provide value to any part of the value chain, from edge computing to all the way up to consulting services, who's getting all the software solution, edge computing solution, put them together and offer to customer for a total solution. They should come and see what we can offer. And in that solution, we have so many partners already. More than 100 VIP members. For example, you see here, this is a traditional machine manufacturer who's building CNC machines. And right here, we have software vendor for semiconductor. So as you see, everybody along the value chain, they're going to gather at our summit. Not only will we have forum, but we will have focused topic discussion in which very important question that people care about. We'll have very small group for people to talk about how we solve those problems and how are they already solved in the industry.
Well, we are looking forward to it. And last question for you, I know we're probably talking about factory automation. What are some other application areas that
At Advantech, we deal with all kinds of industrial usage, from factory and factory management to hospital management and smart cities. That's also something we care deeply about. So at our summit, you're going to see how IoT impact the world, some real life solution at the event. So it's going to be very exciting.
Well, great. I'll see you in November, David. Thank you very much.